Hey guys, I'm Shanley. Today I'm going to tell you about this refurbished gas-powered pressure washer from Simpson. This refurbished pressure washer runs on a 4-cycle, 3100 psi, 2.4 GPM Honda engine. It also has a power boost axial cam pump with a 4-inch brass head. The engine is a direct drive engine and pump for streamlined power and transmission from the engine to the pump. This pressure washer has 12-inch never flat tires and a 30-foot long high-pressure hose. You also get 4 different spray tips included in the box. You get a 0, 15, 40, and a soap tip. Plus, you get a 90-day VM Innovations warranty with this pressure washer, and as always, we offer unbeatable prices and fast, free shipping.